This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress plugin. To start, understand that plugins add new features to your website without altering WordPress's core code, which is crucial for updates. At its simplest, a plugin is a PHP file, but it's highly recommended to organize all your plugins files within a dedicated directory. Begin by setting up a local development environment, which provides a safe space to build and test your plugin before deploying it live. Next, let's look at the essential files. Your plugin needs a main PHP file, typically named after your plugin, residing in its own folder within wp-content/plugins. This main file must include a special header comment at the top. This header tells WordPress it's a plugin and provides vital information such as the plugin's name, its version, and a brief description, usually under 140 characters. This structure helps WordPress recognize and manage your custom functionality. Now, let's explore how to add functionality using WordPress's powerful hook system. Actions let you run your code at specific points during WordPress execution, like when a post is saved or a page loads. Filters, on the other hand, allow you to modify data before it's used or displayed, such as changing post content or titles. Additionally, shortcodes provide a simple way for users to embed dynamic content into posts or pages using a simple tag, like my shortcode. Finally, let's discuss best practices for robust plugin development. Always prioritize security by sanitizing and validating all user input to prevent vulnerabilities. Thoroughly document your code with comments, explaining its purpose and functionality, which is invaluable for future maintenance and collaboration. Also, consider internationalization, allowing your plugin to be easily translated into multiple languages, reaching a global audience of billions of WordPress users. These steps ensure a high-quality and maintainable plugin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.